Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am. Ma'am, how are you?
I am good, thank you.
Ma'am, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. I am Navdeep.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Divyanshu.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. आपकी प्रीवियस क्लास खत्म हो गई?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, आपको लगनी है?
क्या? नूरप्रीत, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है। आप मैसेज चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो क्या कह रहे हो, मैं रिप्लाई कर दूंगी आपको।
Ma'am, which topic we can cover today?
I will let you
Tense.
know. I will let you know.
Tenses?
No, not tenses. I will let you know. Let everybody join. आप लोगों का ये पता है कि ये वाला टाइम टेबल कैसे रहेगा? 15 days इंग्लिश और 15 days रीजनिंग और जीके।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, सबको पता है ना?
हाँ जी।
Everybody keep yourself on mute as of now. I will ask you to unmute yourself if required.
मैम आपकी क्लासेस मैम कम क्यों लगती हैं?
क्या?
मैम आप कम क्लासेस क्यों लगाते हो?
ये किसका क्वेश्चन है? 3 क्लासेस तो लगाते हो बच्चे, सब लोग 3 क्लासेस ही लगाते हैं। बाकी सब्जेक्ट की क्लासेस 3 से ज्यादा हैं क्या?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
तो दिव्यांशु, आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरी कम क्लासेस हैं? बताओ। वो बीच में मेरी तबीयत खराब थी
मैम
तो
वो
मैंने 1-2
मैथ
क्लासेस नहीं ली थी।
मैम वो मैथ की ज्यादा मैम मैथ की 6 क्लासेस लगती है ना, इससे लग रहा था।
मैथ्स की 6
इंग्लिश तो
क्लासेस लगती हैं कैसे?
मैम एक मैम शशिकांत सर
Yes,
पढ़ाते हैं
ma'am.
मैम, और नहीं मैम 6 नहीं लगती, 5 लगती है मैम, और करण मलिक सर पढ़ाते हैं।
एक्चुअली क्या है कि जो हमारे को फीडबैक मिला था आपके स्कूल्स से और आपके कोऑर्डिनेटर्स से, वो यही मिला था कि आपके पेरेंट्स ये चाहते हैं कि मैथ्स और साइंस पे ज्यादा जोर दिया जाए।
मैम मैं तो चाहता
Yes,
हूँ
ma'am.
आप क्या चाहते हो?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, English.
English पे.
अच्छा, आप लोग चाहते हो इंग्लिश की क्लासेस ज्यादा हो?
मैम यस
Yes.
मैम ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स होती हैं मैम
Yes.
इंग्लिश में।
Ma'am.
ठीक
Yes,
है।
ma'am.
आप
अगर कोई सेंटेंस बनाते हैं अपनी तरफ से।
ग्रामर आपकी मैं सारी करेक्ट करा दूंगी, उसकी टेंशन मत लो। आप लोग स्क्रीन देख पा रहे हो?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So the first thing
ma'am.
that I am going to tell you today is about that we are going to have your classes 15 days in a month for English and 15 days for reasoning and GK. So as I said the previous week that out of the 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we are going to practice speaking and listening and writing on Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, we are going to do grammar, and on Thursdays, we are going to do literature. But I'm making a little bit change, and that is that for this month, we have 6 classes, 3 in this week and 3 in the next week. So for the 3 classes that we have this week, today we are going to do speaking. Tomorrow and day after, we are going to do tenses along with narration, speech, translation, and verbs, which we will continue in the next week as well, along with speaking, and we will be able to end up with 4 topics. I think all of this is in your school syllabus also, and all of you find
yes.
these things tough, as told to me last time. You told me in the previous work that previous week that you all have a problem in understanding tenses, making proper use of tenses. A few of you had problems with narration, and many of you had problems with speech, and I got a few messages that you have a problem with translation.
मैम आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर नहीं है मैम, हम आपको बता देते हैं.
मैसेजेस चैट बॉक्स में बच्चे लिख दो, मैं बाद में सारी चैट पढ़ सकती हूँ. जो आप चैट में लिखते हो वो सेव हो जाता है. हो सकता है मैं अभी आंसर ना दे पाऊँ अभी आपको, क्योंकि मैं क्लास ले रही हूँ, लेकिन whatever you write in the chat box, I do read it after the class, and I'm sharing my number. But you will only message me in case you have a doubt or subject related. For that only you will message me. And the second thing, I told you earlier that all of you have an email ID of Ignited Minds. Ignited Minds of bharat@gmail.com. If you have any concern with any subject, you can drop an email mentioning the subject. Like in the subject of the email, you can mention English. I will reply. So today we are going to do speaking, and we are going to understand why speaking is important and what are the basics of spoken English. And we will do a small activity that you have already done earlier in the class, but we will refine that activity. So what we are going to do in the activity, I am going to ask a few of you to introduce yourself. In the introduction, you are going to tell that what is your name, where are you from, what is your ambition in life, why it is your ambition, and what is your hobby in life. Got it?
Ma'am, please repeat it.
Is my speed fast or you are not able to hear properly?
Ma'am, your speed is clear and your
Voice. Okay.
and your voice is clear.
Okay, thank you. So today we are going to do a small activity which you have initially done in your other class, not with me. You just wrote it in Google Forms, but today you are going to, because in that I am going to correct you with your speaking. You are going to introduce and tell me about you. What is your name? Where are you from? What is your ambition or dream in life? And what is your hobby? And why it is your dream in life? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
A few students are still joining. So let us wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. If you want to ask me something, meanwhile, you can ask me. I do not know if the class is scheduled at 7:50. Why you people join at 8? Make sure your previous class ends at 7:40. The only reason that we have kept a gap of 10 minutes so that you can join and be punctual and on time. But still you people
Ma'am,
get late. This is
Ma'am,
not good.
previous class is 6:20 to 7.
Okay, so you did not have any class in between from 7 to 7:40 or like that. अच्छा, आपकी शशिकांत सर की क्लास थी इससे पहले?
But ma'am, Satish sir take
एक
more
जरा बोलो,
time.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. अच्छा, शशिकांत सर ने आज एक्स्ट्रा क्लास ली. ओके,
एक्स्ट्रा क्लास ली सर मैम.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ये तो अच्छी बात है आप लोगों के लिए. Okay, so now the first thing is, as I have already told you, that English is an important language because it is a universal language used all around the world, and presently it is the most widely spoken language of the world. It is the official language of India along with 22 other languages, and Hindi is also one of the official languages. English is the official language and the second highest spoken language in India. It is the most spoken language in the world and is always in the 3 highest speaking languages. Between China and English, Chinese and English, there is always a competition, right? So if we want to go abroad or if we want to work here, speaking properly has become a trend and people are becoming aware of the language. So to improve our spoken communication, we need to know how to speak properly, how to be confident. It also, Anji.
Ma'am, I speak English, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Okay.
speak English easily. Ma'am, but I face some problems to make past and future sentences.
Okay. Don't worry,
Ma'am,
I will help you with it.
Ma'am, I also can speak
Okay,
English
ma'am.
very properly, but some words, but there are some words.
Ma'am, I am also speaking.
Yes, ma'am, me too.
I
But there
know,
are some words.
I know all of you can speak English. I know all of you can speak English very well, but I know you all have a problem, some or the other, which can be a small problem or a big problem. That is why we have kept a special day for speaking, and we will improve together. As I promised to you in my first class that after the completion of this course, you will be able to speak more efficiently and accurately, listen properly, have an effective communication, and write very well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you teach any day, ma'am, about writing?
Yes, I can. I will. If you have missed the class, I see. On Tuesday, I will take a class of speaking, listening, and writing. So someday I'll do listening, someday I'll do speaking, and someday I'll do writing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Good.
ma'am,
you have said
ma'am, I
that
want to,
कि आप
ma'am, I
एक्स्ट्रा
want
क्लास
to
लोगे जो
improve
बच्चे
my,
ग्रुप बी से ग्रुप ए में आए हैं.
हाँ बच्चे, अभी सारे
Yes,
बच्चे
ma'am.
आए नहीं है, अभी और बच्चे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. हाँ बेटा बोलो, मैं सुन रही हूँ.
ma'am, I want to improve my handwriting, ma'am, but I not know how to do cursive writing.
Anybody who wants to improve handwriting, you need to take
Ma'am,
books of
please.
cursive writing, and you can improve your writing by practice. That is the only way to improve your handwriting. I can help you with cursive writing as well. I will write it and you can copy whatever I am writing. I will write it on the board and you can try to make it the way I make, and that can increase your handwriting. We can do that as well.
Ma'am, in our school of SPM Malaysia, principal say that we have to do simple writing. It is good. Then cursive.
If somebody wants a beautiful handwriting, then you can have it with cursive writing. Cursive writing is always better than simple writing. Simple
Ma'am,
writing
calligraphy
is
also?
effective. Simple writing is effective, but cursive writing is better. आप जब भी किसी का लेटर देखते हो, जब वो बहुत सुंदर से लिखा होता है, तो आपको देख के लगता नहीं है कितना सुंदर लिखा हुआ है, आपका पढ़ने का दिल करता है उस चीज को, क्योंकि प्रेजेंटेशन मैटर्स.
मैम फिर हम कर्सिव हैंड राइटिंग सीखें.
अगर आपकी राइटिंग अच्छी है तब जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आपकी राइटिंग नहीं है, जैसे उन्होंने कहा, नवदीप ने कहा, शी वांट्स टू इम्प्रूव हर हैंड राइटिंग. अगर आपको लगता है दैट यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव, then yes. Calligraphy is not cursive writing. Calligraphy is designing your writing. Calligraphy is different ways in which you design handwriting. मुझे लगता है आप लोग राइटिंग में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो अभी स्पीकिंग से।
मैम कंटिन्यू करें मैम, मुझे लगता है सभी आ गए।
हाँ ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
So when you speak, I told you earlier that English दो टाइप की होती है, एक ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश होती है और एक अमेरिकन इंग्लिश होती है। जो हम नॉर्मली इंडिया में यूज करते हैं वो कौन सी होती है? ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश, दैट इज नॉट अमेरिकन इंग्लिश। आपने कई बार देखा होगा लोगों का एक्सेंट होता है, लोग अलग तरीके से बोल रहे होते हैं, वर्ड्स को अलग तरीके से प्रोनाउंस कर रहे होते हैं, वो अमेरिकन इंग्लिश होती है और हमसे काफी डिफरेंट होते हैं। बट कुछ चीजें हैं जो सिर्फ इंडिया की इंग्लिश में यूज की जाती हैं, हमें उनको अवॉइड करना है। अवॉइड कैसे करना है? जब आप बोलते हो आई डिड दिस वर्क।
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो, हाँ जी।
Ma'am, slang is always different.
Yes, slang depends, it can always be different.
Yes.
So I am telling you what is an Indianism and why you need to avoid it while using proper English. While making use of proper English, if I say that I wrote a book, what does that mean? Anybody explain it to me if I am saying I wrote a book.
मैम आई कैन।
मैंने एक किताब लिखी थी।
मैंने किताब लिखी।
मैंने किताब लिखी, ठीक है।
मैम मैंने किताब
ओके ओके, यस, आप सबको पता चल गया, मैंने किताब लिखी। आई रोट अ बुक माई सेल्फ।
मैंने अपने आप एक किताब लिखी।
अपने आप किताब लिखी।
हाँ, तो ये जो आई रोट अ
खुद
बुक माई सेल्फ है ना,
मैंने अपने
हाँ हाँ, तो ये जो आई रोट अ बुक माई सेल्फ है, दिस इज रॉन्ग इंग्लिश। माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, वर्ड्स आर करेक्ट। मैं वर्ड्स को गलत नहीं कह रही हूँ, मेरे को आप लोग कंफ्यूज नहीं होगे ये सोच के कि मैम बोल रही हैं कि माई सेल्फ और योर सेल्फ गलत है। माई सेल्फ एंड योर सेल्फ आर राइट वर्ड्स, बट वी मेक रॉन्ग यूज ऑफ देम। कैसे? आई डिड दिस वर्क, मैंने ये काम किया। आई डिड दिस वर्क ऑन माई ओन, मैंने ये काम खुद किया। आई डिड दिस वर्क माई सेल्फ, मैंने ये काम किया। तो जब मैंने ही काम किया तो मुझे दो बार आई लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। Instead of saying I did this work myself, I did this work on my own is better, but I did this work is the perfect form when we speak or write. When we are using I or we do not use myself or ourselves, and when we are saying you should do it, so I should not be saying you should do it. You should do your homework. Fine, I am ordering you that to all the students I am saying this, you have to do your homework. It already means that you have to do your homework. You have to do your homework yourself is wrong. If I want to say that आपने खुद ही करना है, किसी की help नहीं लेनी है, then I will say you should do your homework without anyone else's help. You should do this work without anyone's help. So you will avoid using yourself, myself, ourself, themselves.
ये सेंटेंस ऐसे भी बन सकता है, you should do your work your own.
You should do your work on your own. If I want to say don't take anyone's help, I will say you should do this work on your own. Got it? क्योंकि अगर हम बोलते हैं you should do it yourself, मैं already you भी बोल रही हूँ, yourself भी बोल रही हूँ, वो repetition होता है।
मैम
हाँ जी
मैम अब आप
मैम can we use मैम instead of my, मैम can we use मैम on instead of myself, yourself?
on your own, on my own, but you don't have to use it. Why do you want to use it? If you don't use it, then also the sentence will be correct. Try making one. मैंने उसको बुक दी, इसको ट्रांसलेट करके इंग्लिश बनाओ। मैंने उसको किताब दी.
I gave my book to.
I gave my book to.
I gave my book to him.
मैंने ये कब कहा कि मैंने अपनी बुक उसको दी? मैंने ये कहा कि मैंने उसको किताब
gave
दी.
him
मैंने
book.
ये नहीं कहा कि मैंने अपनी किताब उसको दी. I gave my book नहीं होगा, मैंने अपनी किताब भी दी है.
I gave book to her.
I gave book to her.
I gave book to him.
I gave to book him.
Book to him.
I gave the book to him. I gave the book to him myself. I
Ma'am.
gave the book to him.
Ma'am, why we use gave in this sentence?
क्योंकि हो चुका है काम.
मैम
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
बुक लगाएंगे.
क्या?
मैम द का
पर्टिकुलर है
यूज
ना?
क्यों करते
पर्टिकुलर है ना? मैंने कोई चीज पर्टिकुलर दी ना?
हैं?
मैंने जो चीज दी वो पर्टिकुलर है, इसलिए द लगाएंगे. So did you understand what is why we should not use myself, yourself and ourself, themselves?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, today we are doing writing.
We are doing speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you think that this is writing?
Ma'am, because we write myself, ourselves. Ma'am, in sentence, we don't speak
So
like that.
because this is because you do not use English while speaking. आप लोग इंग्लिश सिर्फ लिखने में यूज करते हो, इसलिए आपको लग रहा है कि हम राइटिंग कर रहे हैं, बट हमें अपनी आदत में इंग्लिश बोलना भी लाना है, तभी हम सीख पाएंगे.
Ma'am, yes.
Right? When we speak, we have to keep our things crisp and to the point. Our points should be clear that the other person can understand. And the third thing is we have to make proper use of the voice and sounds. How many of
Excuse me,
you
ma'am.
understand phonetics and voice? Anybody of you who understands phonetics and voice?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of phonetics?
This is what I'm asking, if any of you knows the meaning of phonetics. Nobody?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I know.
Okay, tell me. Ma'am.
Ma'am, phonetics is ma'am phonetics. मैम जैसे फोनेटिक साउंड
Ma'am,
होते हैं मैम,
study
जैसे
of
एक
speech.
word को
The sound
Ma'am,
that
I
is
know that.
produced when we speak.
Ma'am, the sound we produce.
The sound we
Ma'am, the
produce when we
study of
speak.
speech
मैम
we
जैसे
called
मैम
as, we call as
मैम
phonetics.
जैसे
जैसे हाँ
Ma'am,
बताओ.
am I
जैसे
right?
मैम सारों की आवाज मिक्स हो रही है, एक जन को कह दो बोलने की.
एक एक करके बोलो.
Ma'am, the study of speech is known as phonetics.
Okay. Has anyone
Am I
earlier
right, ma'am?
studied phonetics?
मैम
Yes.
मैम जैसे फोनेटिक्स मैम वो
मैम भी-
होते हैं
Ma'am, the repetition
ma'am.
of words is phonetics.
No.
मैम
हाँ जी.
मैम
The
जैसे
sound
मैम
we produce.
कौन से मैम
एक मिनट पहले नूरप्रीत को बोलने दो. उनकी कौन बात कर रहा है? जो बात कर रहा है उनकी बात सुन लूं पहले.
मैम जैसे मैम कोई वर्ड मैम जैसे हमें बोलते हैं कि ब की आवाज तो मैम हम बी लगा देते हैं मैम, उसे बोलते हैं ना फोनेटिक साउंड.
हाँ, उसे बोलते हैं. फोनेटिक्स वो होता है जो हम आवाज निकालते हैं, ब, व, श, स, क, ट, जो ये आवाजें हम निकालते हैं ना. th इज थ. थैंक यू. थैंक यू क्यों नहीं होता वो? राइट. जब हम ph यूज करते हैं वो फ होता है, जब हम f यूज करते हैं वो भी फ होता है. What is the difference between फ and फ? What is the difference between w and b? That is voice and phonetics. That also I will be taking and teaching you in the next classes. The proper pronunciations. We should be using the correct pronunciations while speaking, because when you speak and if the other person is well aware and you do not pronounce things correctly, तो हो सकता है कि आपकी बात में misunderstanding या miscommunication हो जाए. Okay. So I want 5 of you, raise your hands who want to give your introduction with proper English, proper grammar, proper sound, everything. 5 of you. I want 5 of
Ma'am.
you. Yes. Okay, I have
मैम
5.
हमारी मैम स्पीकिंग की क्लासेस 2 होंगी एक मंथ में.
मैं 15 डेज पढ़ाऊंगी तो 2 होंगी. आपको ज्यादा चाहिए, आपको कम लग रही है इंग्लिश की क्लासेस?
मैम यस.
ठीक है, हम इंग्लिश की क्लासेस बढ़ा लेंगे. जीके रीजनिंग की कम कर दें?
मैम यस.
कितनी कम कर दें?
मैम 7 डेज.
7 डेज कर दें मंथ में और 21 डेज कर लें इंग्लिश की. ठीक है.
मैम यस.
योर
यस मैम. नो सब मैम दोनों सेम सेम रखो.
मैम इक्वल ठीक है.
इंग्लिश की ज्यादा जरूरत
मैम
है.
इक्वल ठीक है.
मैम इंग्लिश
कितनों को
मैम,
इंग्लिश की
इक्वल
क्लास
ठीक
ज्यादा
है.
चाहिए? कितनों को इंग्लिश की ज्यादा क्लास चाहिए?
मैम क्योंकि इंग्लिश में मिस्टेक्स होती हैं.
बच्चे, आप लोगों की इंग्लिश में मिस्टेक्स होती हैं, पर जीके और रीजनिंग भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. आज आप लोगों को
मैम, ये
इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन अगर आज से आप लोगों की आदत पड़ेगी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की, जर्नल नॉलेज, करंट अफेयर्स याद रखने की, तो आपको बाद में जब आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस होंगे, देन यू विल नॉट फाइंड इट टफ. मैंने आपको जैसे पहले भी समझाया था, फर्स्ट क्लास से जब मैंने इनिशियल क्लासेस ली थी, तब से मैं आपको एक ही बात समझा रही हूँ कि जब आप हैबिट्स इनकलकेट करते हो तो वो आपकी रूटीन बन जाती है और रूटीन आपका डिसिप्लिन बन जाता है. बट अगर वो चीजें आप नहीं करते तो लेटर स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में जब आपको एक्चुअल में वो चीजें करने की जरूरत पड़ती है तो आप स्ट्रगल करते हो अपने साथ. Every
हम वो
subject
English
is
के साथ
important
कर
and I
रहे
have
हैं.
been telling this you since day one. Every subject is equally important, right?
मैम,
आपको
हम
इंग्लिश की
English
एक्स्ट्रा
day to
जरूरत
day
है, हम
use
आपको
करते
इंग्लिश में
हैं.
एडिशनल टाइम दे देंगे. जीके और रीजनिंग की क्लासेस 15 ही रहेंगी, बट वी विल ट्राई कि इंग्लिश की क्लासेस आपकी 21 हो जाएं. मतलब 21 डेज के लिए हो जाए, 9 डेज हो जाए या 10 डेज हो जाए मंथ में, राइट?
हम क्योंकि मैम हम इंग्लिश मैम डे टू डे लाइफ यूज करते हैं मैम. एसएसटी में मैम, साइंस में मैम, मैथ्स में.
आपकी तो
Excuse
एसएसटी
me,
की
ma'am.
भी तो, हाँ जी
मैम, जो हमें टाइम टेबल आया था उसमें तो ये नहीं था कि पहले 15 डेज मंथ की हमारी क्लास लगेंगी और बाकी 15 डेज ग्रुप बी की.
तो 15 डेज में आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ाऊंगी, 15 डेज ग्रुप बी को पढ़ाऊंगी. जब मैं उनको इंग्लिश पढ़ाऊंगी 15 डेज, तब वो रवि सर आपको जीके और रीजनिंग करवाएंगे. 15 डेज आपके ऑफ थोड़ी रहेंगे, आपकी तो 30 डेज ही क्लास लगेगी.
ओके मैम.
ओके मैम.
प्रतीक्षा,
Okay.
प्रतीक्षा,
यस मैम.
you speak the topic. Introduce yourself. You have to speak 5 things. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you want to become or your aim in life, and why it is your aim in life, and what are your hobbies?
ओके मैम.
And all of you will listen very correctly and keep noting down the mistakes. मैं किसी से भी पूछ सकती हूँ कि प्रतीक्षा ने क्या क्या mistakes की. Everybody will listen very carefully. I will ask any one of you to tell me what mistakes he made. Okay, Pratiksha, start.
Hello everyone. This is me Pratiksha. I'm in 8th standard from S. Chetan, SPM Mansa. So my hobbies are dancing, reading novels, acting, and many more. So I just want to become a scientist, or I love science and I have much interest in science.
Very good. Anybody
Okay,
who
ma'am.
can tell me the mistakes she made?
She was continuously telling or instead of are and sorry.
Sorry नहीं, वो सो बोल रही थी. और कोई?
Ma'am, she said ma'am much instead.
Okay, so I will tell you. She said this is Pratiksha. जो मैंने आपको बोला कि हम लोग जब इंग्लिश बोलते हैं हम इंग्लिश करेक्ट बोलते हैं लेकिन हम इंडियनिज्म्स यूज करते हैं. तो प्रतीक्षा ने कहा दिस इज प्रतीक्षा. नो, whenever you introduce yourself, my name is Pratiksha. अब मैंने यहाँ पे yourself यूज किया, so I was correct. Whenever you introduce yourself, because you are not introducing anyone else, right? My name is Pratiksha. My hobbies are. So is Indianism. Much is Indianism. Thank you is correct. Thank you very much is also correct. But I like English very much is wrong. I like English. I like science. I have an interest in science. Very much doesn't increase the quantity. It is only in India that we think that it increases the quantity, whereas it doesn't. When we speak, if I like English, I do like English. Very much makes no sense. Or I like English more than other subjects. English is my favorite subject. I prefer to study English as compared to other subjects. I want to become a scientist because I have a keen interest in science. So whatever she said, I repeated and I framed the sentence in a different way. Though her try was very
Hello,
good,
ma'am.
she was confident. She was very confident. She spoke it with confidence. She spoke everything correctly. But we need to improve little things. Yes. Yes, Pratiksha.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
मैम, आपने मैम अभी कीन वर्ड बोला था, KEEN.
हाँ, keen.
मैम, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट?
Who will tell me the meaning of keen? Anybody?
Interest.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, बहुत ज्यादा.
बहुत ज्यादा. डूब जाना किसी चीज में.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
we
ma'am.
use a ma'am, can we use a sentence?
Which
Ma'am,
sentence?
can we use a ma'am, can we use a word 2 times in a sentence?
No, you cannot use a word 2 times. It is a repetition.
Ma'am, ma'am, how can I said, ma'am, that can I said I want to become
How can I say?
doctor.
How can I said नहीं होता. How can I say?
Ma'am, how can I say that I want to become a doctor and
I want to become a doctor. ये तो सही बोल रहे हो आप. My aim in life is to be a doctor because I want to help the patients.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also asked this one. Ma'am, can I say I want to become a doctor because I want to help poor people?
People, peoples नहीं होता कुछ भी. People मैंने फर्स्ट डे नाउन की क्लास में प्लूरल्स कराए थे आपको. People. इशिता. इशिता नहीं है क्लास में. अनन्या.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak your introduction जल्दी से.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, all of you. My name is Ananya. I am from the district Fazilka. My ambition in my life is to become an IAS officer, Indian Administrative Service. Because I want to do something for my nation, and my hobby is to do sketching. Thanks.
Very good. Who else wants to try? Noorpreet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your voice is not clear.
Good evening.
Noorpreet, your voice is not clear. Navdeep?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now please.
No,
Ma'am,
Noorpreet, your voice is not clear
Ma'am,
since
can
the
I tell?
beginning. Let Navdeep try.
Ma'am, may I try?
ma'am,
Yes.
hello everyone. My name is Navdeep Kaur. I am in 8th standard. My hobby is painting, dancing. I have been live in in Kanutki with my all family. My aim is doctor because I want to help the poor peoples. Thanks.
अभी मैंने बताया था पीपल्स गलत होता है पीपल. आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, फ्यूचर टेंस बनना है आपको.
And ma'am,
want-
there's another mistake.
Yes, you tell me.
Ma'am, she said that I have been living.
Yes.
It is I am living.
I live. I am living me. I live in this place with my family because it is a
Ma'am, it is
universal truth.
continuous.
Yes, it is a universal truth. It will always remain
Okay.
correct. अगर आप सिर्फ टेम्परेरीली कहीं जाओगे ना रहने के लिए, जैसे जॉब करने के लिए गए हो, तो आप कहोगे आई लिव इन फाजिल्का बट प्रेजेंटली आई एम स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली. बट अगर आप परमानेंटली रह रहे हो तो आई लिव इन दिल्ली, आई लिव इन फाजिल्का, बिकॉज इट इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. इट विल ऑलवेज स्टे द सेम. ये जो चीज चेंज ही नहीं होगी, उसमें हम एम लिविंग तब बोलेंगे जब वो किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम के लिए हो रही होगी. ठीक है, अब मैं आप लोगों को ये कह रही हूँ, आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टुडे. व्हाटएवर वी हैव डन इन स्पीकिंग, whatever I told you that we will not use Indianisms, we will not use repetitions, we will not use yourself, myself, ourself. We will keep our things crisp and clear and up to the point. We will make proper use of sentences, tenses, sentences, and proper forms of verb. So I will send you one Google form at 9 p.m. today. Whenever you get time in the morning tomorrow or afternoon, I know your schools have started, you will write your introduction and send it to me. I will read all your introduction and then I'll give you a feedback where all of you are wrong. But you have to try making proper sentences. Yes?
Ma'am, I want to introduce myself.
Ma'am,
What's your
can we
name?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
want to
Suniti.
introduce.
I am trying to
But we have to send.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
Suniti,
want to
you can,
introduce
Suniti, go ahead. I can only
hello
give chance
everyone.
to
My
one
name
student
is
because we are running short of time. We will continue it tomorrow. Yes, yes, Suniti.
hello everyone. My name is Suniti Gira. I am from Talwara district, Hoshiarpur. My aim is to become a lawyer because I am good in debate and my hobbies are singing and dancing.
Very good, but you did not tell what you want to become in life. Your aim
Ma'am,
in life.
I want to become a lawyer because I am good
Oh,
in
yes, you
debate.
said. Okay, my mistake. My mistake. Yes, you want to become a lawyer.
Ma'am,
I know
can
all of you want to
myself.
introduce. I know all of you want to introduce.
myself.
Ma'am, I can introduce.
We can continue it tomorrow in the class because I have a next class. I do have a next
My
class
turn.
for class 6. We can continue it tomorrow and I will talk with my team that all of you want the number of classes to increase for English, as you all have a problem with English, right? I will talk about it. And I will send you one Google form and all of you will write your introduction. Hanji?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, I
we
can
send the
introduce
Google
myself.
form now?
But I have a class. Okay, I will send it within the next 5 minutes.
Ma'am, can we send
I
the
can introduce
introduction on
myself.
your phone number?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
you.
good
Okay,
night
ma'am,
for
we
now.
will send
I am winding up
Have a
the class
nice
right
day.
now. Good night because I have a next class.
Good night, ma'am.
Good
Okay,
night,
bye.
ma'am. Bye. Take
Okay,
care.
ma'am. Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a
Bye.
good day.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Take care, ma'am.